In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening HiTheme app and clicking on Theme at the bottom. Then you can click on the search bar to type in whatever you want to. You can select one of those options or click on one of those themes. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on the best one for you, hit download and wait. Then select apply and wait again. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go back to the same app, and this time tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Select My Themes at the top, click on Internal Theme and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!